Monday's here, the week's begun. Wake up early, let's have some fun. Brush your teeth, get ready to go. Off to school, you're in the flow. Tuesday's here, you're on the move. Learning, growing in the groove. Play with friends and have a blast. But days go by, they're so fast. Wednesday comes, we're halfway there. Midweek fun is everywhere. Read and write, sing and play. Half the week has flown away. Thursday's next, we're almost through. Learning new things, just me and you. One more day, and then it's time for weekend fun, oh, it's so fine. Friday's here, let's give a cheer. The weekend's coming, it's so near. Time to dance and time to play. We've worked so hard, now it's our day. Saturday's warm, the heart is free. A day of laughter, life and glee. No rush, no race, just time to be in moments shared with family. Sunday is calm, a final note. A peaceful pause where dreams can float. Prepare the mind, the soul, the heart. For Monday soon we'll re-impart. Days of the week, let's sing them out loud. Each day's an adventure, let's all be proud. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, hooray. Thursday, Friday, then weekend's our day.
Hi kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.